Our group consists with Jayamaldi Vaskunardhana, Malaka Gallagi, Manjula De Silva, Gihan Karunaratna, and Naisha Disanayaka. Our initial design was to implement a IP packet monitoring device which captures wireless IP packets and filter them as user needs, then show those packets to the user. We implement two software solutions for that, an Android application and a desktop application. Also, we have designed a complete hardware solution. The Android application was developed by Jayamaldi Vaskunardhana. He coded that and implemented the algorithm for splitting the string and filtering by a IP address. The desktop application was developed by Manjula De Silva and Malak Gallage. Manjula implemented the IP packet receiving code and the GUI related to that. Malaka developed the filtering part and the filter GUI. They used JPCAP library for that. Gihan designed the hardware solution. That is the hardware which captures analog signals and convert them into digital format and transfer to the device. Ayesha Disanayaka managed the research paper. She managed the writings, checked others' writings, and finalized the research paper. Now we will demonstrate our Android application. It is IP filter. This is the main interface. Now I click capture button, but nothing we can show because there is no communication. So I have to open the web browser. I refresh the page. Now there is some communication. Let's see our application. You can see this application has captured some amount of IP packets, but you can see this there's a thing called cancel packets and it's 0 and 12 captured packets. But why this is 0? Because we haven't set any filter. Our text box is empty. Let's try to set a filter for the 10022 IP address. Then press capture and refresh the web page. Let's see our application. Now you can see the amount of IP packets has reduced. The captured packets has reduced to 6, and there's a value 6 for cancel packets. And we can't see the IP address 10023 here. There's only 10022. In here also 10022. This is our demonstration for the Android application. Thank you. This is the code for the Android application. Some parts of this code were taken from the tutorial, like this ones, and this one was written by APC JD Vaskunardhana because this is related to the filtering part. This takes the IP address which on the text box and saves it at a variable IP. These two lines were taken from the tutorial. And in here, after this line, this algorithm was written by APC JD Vaskunardhana because this is related to the splitting the string and filtering. Also these two lines too. This part splits the main string and checks and filter using the given IP address. This is the code for the desktop application packet analyzer. This GUI was designed by Manjula De Silva, and these lines were written by Malak Gallage. Also this method was written by Malak Gallage. This retrieves the IP packets on a wireless network. this show method written by Manjul De Silva, and also these two methods were written by Manjul De Silva. This method was this parser class written by Malak Gallage with the use of a tutorial, and this if condition and this algorithm from here to here written by Manjul De Silva. This handles the filtering part. This filters the user. This filters the IP packets with the intention of the user. Also, this GUI also designed by Malak Gallage, and this show method was written by Malak Gallage. That is the source of the desktop application. This is the hardware design, which was designed by Gihan Karunaratne. He has given the architecture of the hardware solution, and the description of the every elements of this, like antenna, signal filter, demodulator, ADC, buffer, decoder, network filter, application filter, and the monitor. And this part was designed by Gihan Karunaratne. This is the research paper of our wireless monitoring device. This was handled by Ayesha Disanayake. She wrote this using the draft documents which was applied by other members. This contains a larger description of our device.